Wagwan viewers and subscribers, I don't know your boy Rush, and today we make a fruit smoothie consisting of watermelon and pineapple in my hand. And today you're going to see how we really go about doing it our way, Rushie's Kitchen style. Stay tuned. So you want to start out with a very ripe pineapple. And when you're shopping for a pineapple, you want to make sure that it's really ripe. You have sugar pine and you have all variety of pine out here. So you want to get a really ripe one so you can get a good sweet end product when you make a smoothie. Alright? So we're starting off by preparing our pineapples, and you want to wash and peel them. You want to take out the heart, so you don't want the toughness of the heart in your smoothie, because you want it to be as smooth as possible. Heart is very, hard, so you want to remove that. Alright? So you just want the fleshy part of the pineapple really. We have next to it, we have a watermelon. And you see how it's red and nice and pretty. So when you're shopping for your watermelon, just make sure so you get the really red ones. And so you can get the really sweet ones. Good? So next to it now, we have honey. And we talked about sweetness earlier. We're not gonna add any sugar to this smoothie. So what you wanna do is just use something to substitute that sugar just in case it's going to be fresh. Alright? So you wanna use honey as a sweetening base. Alright? So this is some lime juice. And you can use fresh lemon, you can use a lime or anything to add that lime taste to your smoothie. We have some syrup over here, and this is strawberry syrup. So you can get strawberry syrup anywhere in the grocery store, and this helps with the sweetness as well, helps to sweeten the smoothie. And you can this is strawberry, but you can also get pineapple flavor. That is also a great blend to go with your pineapple. Alright, so I want to show you step by step how to make the smoothie right now, right? But you see, before we do that, we just want to like the video. You see it? Subscribe, share, comment, share the video with your friend them. And yo, this is the notification bell. If you don't want up to date notifications, no need to click the bell and ring it. Yo, come with me in the kitchen. Come. Alright guys, so now you're seeing all of the ingredients and we have ice right there. So ice, as you know, it is a key component in any smoothie making, right? So if you have crushed ice, that would be far ideal than the ice that I have, the ice cube that I have now. Alright? So we're gonna add the pineapple first. And we're just gonna add just some of this. We're not gonna add everything. Just the right amount. Now we're gonna add the watermelon. And watermelon has so many water in it. So with the ice now, we're gonna add our ice cubes. All of the ice there right now. We're gonna add the honey. And we're gonna add all of the honey right now. We're gonna add the lime juice. You don't want too much lime juice because you don't make a lemonade, you don't want it sour. So we add some of that, just with the right balance and taste. We're gonna add all of the strawberry syrup right now. And with the smoothie, you need no water. So the ice, as well as the water consistency of the fruits, and especially the watermelon, trust me, that's all the water you need. So we're gonna give this a blend now for a couple minutes. And you want to blend. Ideally you want to blend and make sure that everything blend out good and proper. So you see, it's coming along nice and thing, and the color and everything is quite pretty. Cool, man. So we give this another round of blending again, because as you can see, we're not finished with it yet. And that is it, folks. Simple and easy, quick, and nothing long. This is quite ready for your tasting now. So with a smoothie like this, what else could you want to complete the summer in them hot days? Because me know you want something to cool on the down, you know. Trust me, it's really fruity, really smooth, really refreshing. Yo, you know what, not more than this, man. And the recipe is there. So just head over, just watch the video them, and enjoy yourself. This is a refreshing way to start your summer, because summer hot, you know, you need something to cool it down. So morning, evening, midday, night, anytime, because it's fruit smoothie and you could never get it any better than this. It's fruit in its natural form. You understand? So yo, you want to get a glass of this, man, and you can make it yourself, and that's why we at RUSHIE'S Kitchen find out these things too, you know, so you can make them for yourself in our own kitchen. You understand? So since you can't taste it, you can meet up on the kitchen, I taste it for them, I tell us it's bad. I don't need to try it right now. I feel like drinking. Hold on there. Trust me, nice. Go and go make it. Like, share, subscribe. RUSHIE'S Kitchen. We're there. Big bad boy. We're out.